Hello everyone, this is Kinkuni LT. Today I have come down from our office. This is a river beside our office. It's beautiful. In this video, I will show our customer video. He is from Korea. Have taken the video of the smart farmer. It can control the lamp and the curtains for the farmer. He have made the power distribution box by our relay controller and the switch terminal board and the buttons and other electronic parts. So let's look at his result, and it's good video for him to take.
Cotton 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cotton down.